Looking for a project to take home this weekend? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about sealing that garage floor right after this. Don't let old man winter sneak into your house this season. Seal the gaps with weatherization products from Duck Brand. With our Keep the Cold Out giveaway, now through November 11th, you could win winter weatherization products valued at more than $70. Window insulation kits, door sweeps, expanding foam, and more. Everything you need to keep your house warm and energy efficient in the cold weather. Visit Today's Homeowner on Facebook and look for the pinned post to enter. Brought to you by Today's Homeowner and Duck Brand. Sealing a garage floor makes it look better and leaves it easier to clean. The best way to do that is with one of the two-part epoxy systems that come in a kit from the home center. Most come with a concentrated cleaner you use to prepare the surface. After it dries for a day or two, you're ready to seal. Unlike paint or stain, epoxy sealers are mixed immediately before use, and you only have a limited amount of time to work with them. Once you mix it, be ready to start rolling and brushing it on because the clock is ticking. Work small areas and keep a wet edge like you would with paint. The kit also comes with decorative paint chips that you can sprinkle into the epoxy while it's still wet. The result is a beautiful garage floor. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.